Good morning, grade 5 learners. Today, I will discuss to you English 5, Quarter 1, Module 4, Lesson 2, Composing Descriptive Sentences using different kinds of adjectives. Before I start, I would like you to give a brief information regarding adjective. In composing informative and creative text, writers select the best words that will help them convey their ideas more clearly. They use descriptive words to give additional information about a person, a thing, or an event. These words are modifiers of noun and pronoun, and they are called adjectives. In other words, an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. To refresh your mind regarding the use of an adjective, may we have first an activity, direction. Think of an adjective that matches the description. Write the adjective in your notebook. Kids, I know that you had already recalled what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or pronoun. It helps you express your ideas more clearly by allowing you to give additional information about words. Adjectives also help the readers to have a clearer picture on what the writer is talking about. Kids, recall your lessons on proper nouns. Remember that these are nouns that are capitalized and usually came from the names of people, cities, countries, brands, events, and the like. Like the proper nouns, they are also adjectives that need to be capitalized. They are called proper adjectives. A proper adjective is a word that modifies nouns and pronouns and is formed from a proper noun. Take a look at the words on the table. Take a look on Medianas, Filipino, and Waray are example of proper adjectives. On the other hand, some adjectives are formed by joining two different words to give a new meaning. These adjectives are called compound adjectives. They are usually hyphenated to avoid confusion. Okay, you try now to observe these compound adjectives used in the sentence. There are also other adjectives that come after a linking verb and modify the subject of the linking verb. They are called predicate adjectives. A predicate adjective is a subject complement, a word or a group of words that follows a linking verb or a verb phrase such as is, am, were, taste, look, sound, have been, and did seem. Let's have an example. Try to observe the following sentences. The dress looks elegant. In this sentence, the word elegant modifies the dressed. The dress is the subject, looks is the linking verb, elegant is a predicate adjective. Elegant modifies the dressed. Number 2. The food tastes good. The food is the subject, taste is the linking verb, good is the predicate. Adjective modifies the food. In this lesson, you have encountered three types of adjectives. We have proper adjectives, compound adjectives, and predicate adjectives. The first two, which is the proper adjective and compound adjective, are usually written before the word they modify. Example for a proper adjective: I love Hungarian sausage. Hungarian modifies sausage. Another example: do you speak the Filipino dialect? Filipino modifies dialect. That is an example of proper adjective. For compound adjective, example: a cyclops is a one-eyed monster. One-eyed is an example of compound adjective describing monster. The good-looking actor has a new commercial. The good-looking is a compound adjective describing the actor. The last one, which is predicate adjectives, are written far from the word they modify and placed after a linking verb. Example: Lisa Soberano is pretty. The predicate adjective pretty modifies Lisa Soberano. Another example: many doctors and nurses in our hospital are tired. The word tired modifies doctors and nurses. To test whether you understand our lesson for today, answer the following. Direction: identify whether the underlined words is a proper adjective, a compound adjective, or a predicate adjective. Write the letter that corresponds to your answer and write it in your notebook. To sum up what we have learned today, an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun or pronoun. There are different kinds of adjectives, namely proper adjective, compound adjective, and predicate adjective. More specifically, proper adjectives are words that modifies a noun and pronoun and are formed from a proper noun. On the other hand, some adjectives are formed by joining two different words to give a new meaning. These adjectives are called compound adjectives. They are usually hyphenated to avoid confusion. There are other adjectives that comes after a linking verb and modifies the subject of a linking verb. They are called predicate adjectives. A predicate adjectives is a subject complement, a word or a group of words that follows a linking verb or verb phrase such as is, am, were, taste, look, sound, have been, and did seem. Overall, adjectives help us describe the qualities of the nouns and pronouns in writing. Likewise, they give the reader a complete picture of what you are writing about. Okay kids, that ends our lessons, and continue answering the different activities in your module. I hope that you learned a lot in this discussion. Good luck and see you again in the next video lesson.